Hi guys, Darren from venomfluidart.
We're Bubbles.
Can't forget Bubbles.
Because I won't let you.
No doubt.
Play night. What do you reckon?
Sounds like a plan.
I'm thinking ring pulls.
Rightio.
Radial swipes.
Sounds good to me.
Mixing techniques.
Loads of fun.
Yep.
Now they're all bloom consistency paints.
They surely are.
So they're nice and thick and juicy.
Ready to be radialed on.
Fair enough.
I thought we haven't done this for ages. We
It has
used to
been
play
a
a
while.
lot with things like this, didn't we?
Yeah, all the crazy stuff.
Yeah. I'm bringing it back.
Bringing back the crazy.
Bringing back the crazy.
Rightio. Sounds like a plan to me.
It's where the fun's at, I tell you.
Yeah. It's a cool way of putting your colours down though, for a radial.
Yeah, it is, because you get easy peacock cells. Or rainbow cells. Really easy.
Man, that looks nuts.
And a blob.
And a
we
blob.
don't care, because we're going to radial over it, but that is super cool.
That is super, super cool.
Quite digging that pattern, Wombat.
Yeah. Dig it.
Now, I am snot checking this time, because this is actually part 2 of this video. And I had one nasty little booger in the paint. And it was in such a bugger of a spot, wasn't it?
Yep, that actually ended up, that video ended up in the members section.
Trashed.
Yeah.
I might just center that a little bit. That's the joy of the floating pillow. Alright. Are you ready, Wombat?
As I'll ever be.
Yeah, I'm going to go over the big one.
Righto. Big swipe tool?
Yeah, usually I'd use the middle one,
Yeah.
but I got a feeling.
You got a feeling?
Yeah. Because the last one turned out pretty good if there hadn't been snot in it.
Well, it did, yeah.
And then when I tried to pluck it,
Yeah, it went bad.
it went really bad.
Went bad fast, actually.
Yeah.
You do know radial fixes everything, right?
Yeah, I should have gone over the top again. I think I threw every technique at that poor bloody painting.
You did, and it just didn't get any better.
I was just getting really bad. I didn't do a traffic light.
Okay. Fair enough.
Yeah, we'll do a full traffic light.
Alright.
And flipper.
Here we go.
Come on. Come on, go, 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 go. Yes!
Made it.
Yes! Oh,
Trash in the place.
I've done nothing but trash the place today.
You have. As everyone can see by the orange everywhere.
Oh, that was really tragic, just saying.
Yes.
Because, well, I launched that painting,
Yes, you did.
100 miles an hour, and there's about 20 of these in the spinner box, covered in paint. Yep, all me.
That video is actually in the platinum section.
Yeah,
Up in days.
I didn't know whether to laugh, cry, or swear like a trooper.
Yeah. It didn't end well, did it?
Nah, and I gave it another go, and that didn't end well either.
No. It's been one of them days when you think about it.
Yeah. Come down for a bit of art therapy and thought, you know, now I want to kill something.
Oh, when you were standing outside earlier this morning, giving your little butterfly a coat of clear gloss,
Oh,
and the wind blew it away.
yep.
Yeah.
Yep. It's been that series of unfortunate events.
That it has. That looks awesome,
See the cells, look at the multicolours everywhere.
Dude.
Isn't that gorgeous?
That is...
That's why I love the ring pour with radials.
Yeah. It's a great way to put your colours down. You get some crazy, crazy patterns.
You really do. It's one of my favourite mix techniques to do.
That looks nuts.
And it'll look really dark in the camera at the moment. I'm just hoping that the flyover shows it off.
Yeah, it's a different light that's on the phone. It's like a little spotlight, so... Tends to pick up all the bling.
Yeah. I've sort of done a darker moody blues and dark purps.
Oh, bubbles.
Just want to check because that was a pretty heavy pillow, eh?
Yeah, it was. There was loads on it. But you need that for your boulder cells.
Yeah, you do. Especially if you want them all the way to the edges, like that rocks my world.
Yeah.
I just think that looks super cool. It's my favourite part of a radial, other than the centre.
Yeah.
The centre's my very favourite part.
Look at that. That's nuts.
And look at all them different colours just because of the ring pour.
That's crazy.
Almost looks like an opal or something.
The colour
you know
shift
what I mean?
in that's unreal.
Almost has like that opal stone effect.
Yeah. Alright, we'll do a flyover of that one, because wow.
At least I didn't stuff that radial up. You should have seen the other one earlier, guys. Ooh la la.
Yeah. Open days.
I got spicy over that one.
Spicy.
Yeah, just a tad.
Love it.
Alright, let's pause here, Wombat. We'll come back to you.
Sounds like a plan.
Don't be so scared of the monster underneath your bed. The monster's in your head. Don't be so scared of the monster underneath your bed. The monster's in your head.
Alrighty, we're back, Mr. Wombat.
Alright, got a cup full of fun.
Looks like a cup full of neons and... Oh, I love that purple. So that's the cool thing, you can lay the colour however you want, can't you? Out of your cup.
Yeah, you can. Can with these, that's for sure.
Ribbon effect. I love that. Oh, tempted to say, just spin that out, see what it looks like.
I was just thinking the same thing, you know.
That's actually very cool.
Something different.
Isn't it?
It is. Alright.
I really dig that.
Digging it?
And here it goes.
Yeah. Sorry, dude.
That's got potential though. We're going to have a play with that.
Yeah.
I really like that.
Yeah, it'd be awesome just spun out.
Yeah. Next week.
Yes.
Let's try it.
Sounds like a plan.
But for now,
But
the
for,
mighty radial.
For now, the mighty radial.
I don't know, I'm starting to get back into my loaded palette knives again.
Are you?
Yeah, they're fun. They've just got such great possibilities. You're going the small one.
I am. Alright.
Tell you what, it took me a while to judge the CA level from the medium one to the large palette knife. Had a few smooches going on at first.
Yeah. Which I'm going to do here.
Yes, but I like that effect sometimes. Just gives it that lines of colour, and you actually get like these tiny little cells that pop up in between.
You do.
And they're really cool. And then if you pop bubbles and get colour and they open up bigger, it looks super cool, and I can see you're going to get some.
You get to do funny beginning.
Yes. Oh, that's an idea. Oh, I like that.
Just to be different.
Yeah. Just on them edges.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, they'll spin off, but chances are.
You might keep some. We'll soon find out. Yeah, that's cool.
Something different.
Yeah. Is the skewer coming out?
Doesn't
I knew it.
Doesn't it always?
Oh, I've seen you not on a radial before. When it's floated your boat just as it was.
Alright.
Let's see how it spins out.
Let's see what happens.
That center's perfect, Mr. Wombat. Look at it.
Not very often I get the middle right.
You usually get that little tail of colour, don't you?
I do. Alright, move these out of the way.
Yeah, well the problem is they're all stuck together now. So
They are.
one moves, a few move, it's chaos. I did it earlier. I nearly wiped a lot of them out.
Dead centre, first crack. What's the odds?
You're amazing.
I know.
Are you detecting my sarcasm there?
Yeah.
No, I'm just checking.
I'm picking up what you're putting down, don't you worry.
Fair enough.
I've heard about it all before. Spin, spin, spinach.
Ooh. You know, at first I didn't like that army green that come up on the outside there, but it's not when you really look at it. Oh, I love that. That's gorgeous.
Well, Kat keeps saying I don't use enough green, so...
Oh, I know. The great Kat Sutton from Canberra.
Yep.
Amazing artist.
Kath from Canberra. She's awesome.
Yep, tiny challenge coming up again.
Absolutely.
It's the yearly Venom Tiny Challenge.
She keeps giving me an intervention. Wombat, you need to use green.
Yes,
Wombat,
she does.
you need to use green. So
She was actually very proud of you the other day because I told her by choice you made 2 custom greens.
I did make custom greens. Scrape that off. How trippy is that?
I love that. So that's what I mean. When you layer colours out of a cup, you get these wild, wicked effects.
Yeah, and have a look at them. That's where the white Selectivator swipe was. You get trippy stuff like that.
Looks amazing.
I got lucky. Alright, we'll do a flyover of that one.
That's super cool.
That's super trippy.
That was fun.
I love doing those though.
Yep, lots of fun. Anything with a radial, I'm in.
Yeah, like ring pour radials,
We'll have to do
ring pour blooms, they turn out sick too.
Have to do them too.
So, yeah, they're loads of fun. I quite like them.
Well, that was a cool play night.
It was definitely a cool play night.
I thoroughly enjoyed that, getting back to our wild and wonderfuls.
For sure. So, if you've liked that, hit like, share and subscribe. Ring that notification bell.
Ding ding.
That way you get to see all this fun stuff as we release it.
Absolutely.
Alrighty, that's it from us. So have fun, take care,
and we'll
see you in the next one. Bye for now.
Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a fantastic day. Go get messy. Hello everyone, it's Bubbles from venomfluidart. We've got some exciting news to share with you all today. So we are finally starting a members only channel. We're going to have 2 tiers. So what I will do, I will quickly throw you over to Wombat so he can let you know what them 2 tiers are going to be and what's available to you if you do join.
Okie dokie. So we're going to have a gold tier and a platinum tier.
No one wants silver.
I know, right?
Yep,
You'd rather win gold than win silver.
Absolutely.
Any day of the week. So, in the gold, what you're going to get is loyalty badges. You get your custom M-Joys, priority reply to comments, because, hey, I'm hopeless with comments, so
yep,
that should fix that problem.
I'm hoping.
Photos and status updates. Members only polls.
Absolutely, because that's going to be very important to us.
Plus, what I'm going to do is throw in everyone that's a gold member gets their name in the description of the videos each and every week.
Absolutely. Absolutely. We're very big on that. Share the love.
Now, the platinum, which is like, woohoo, check it out.
I'm excited for this one.
You're going to get members only videos. What you'll be getting is how I make my custom colours from scratch, start to finish. And there'll be multiple ways of doing those colours, and it's going to be awesome.
Gonna have some fun.
You're going to get our raw and uncut adults only bloopers videos.
Now I am a bit nervous about that, guys, because I do get caught sweet quite a bit.
Yeah, you're going to see the.
That's going to be gone.
Yeah.
Yeah. You still love me.
You'll get member shout outs in the videos.
Absolutely.
Also your name in the descriptions. Members only shorts. You're going to see a lot of behind the scenes stuff that no one ever gets to see.
Absolutely.
And I'll be adding all sorts of other little perks in as we go throughout the year.
Most definitely.
Now, if you can't be a member, don't stress. Everything on the channel is going to stay exactly the same, all the same content. You're going to still see our student versus teacher videos.
Absolutely.
Our Friday, Saturday show where we do either craft stuff or little learning videos and things like that.
Yep, those free learning videos will still be available.
They'll all still be available. Just not as in depth as the members only videos.
Yep.
The members only ones are far more in depth than what the other ones due to time restraints.
And you can let us know what technique do you want us to learn.
Exactly.
To share.
So you're going to see a whole heap of fun stuff.
For the members, I am going to do a big Christmas promotion this year too, because what I want to see is people putting up the custom colours they've made by Wombat and how they've used them. And at the end of December, then I'm going to announce the winner, and they can either choose a Wombat piece or a Bubbles piece and send it on out, and just as a thank you for being part.
So yeah, there's going to be a whole heap of different perks that aren't listed on the perks list, but you're going to get them anyway.
So we're just going to have an adventure and have some fun. Come and join us. Let's get messy.